Wait. Oh. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So this one, I don't know if you guys saw that I made a slime. I made some slime, but I didn't put it on YouTube. Like, I completely forgot about you guys. So I am 100%, 1000% sorry. So I'm just gonna show you how to make some slime first. I'll be back in a minute to get the ingredients. I'm back. So all you need is toothpaste, flour, and food coloring. Oh, and you can't forget, and salt, so it's not like sticky and all that. Okay, stay. No. I don't need it now. So what I'm gonna do is I don't actually need all of it. Yeah, maybe like this much. I'm just gonna put all of this toothpaste. Let's see if it is. Into the. Oh damn. Okay, so don't stand on the bed. Okay, I think there is enough toothpaste. No, Brody, leave that there.
It's food colour.
Food colour. Yeah. Oh, so I put the toothpaste in. Now I just need like a little ass bit of salt. Now, time for the food coloring.
It's not coming out. There we go.
Oh, kind of looks like red. It's supposed to be pink. Oh well.
So it looks big on the top.
Yeah, we just gotta mix it. Okay, so you just keep mixing it. So I think we need more food coloring because, you know, I want it to have some color. So I think this is the about third time I've showed you guys how to make slime. I've showed you how to make slime twice, but this is the third time. Now, of course you need a flannel to wipe your hands, just in case something like spills or something. I'm just gonna see if there's like a little bit more toothpaste. Okay, that's completely empty. Can you go put this in the rubbish?
Do you need more?
No.
There's some here. Oh no, never mind.
More food coloring. Ah, this is not getting any color, is it? Oh, a bit too much food coloring. Oops. Now, can you please go get a cup? Sorry, guys, if you think that... Yeah, me and you. So if you guys think I'm, like, telling my sister to do all this stuff, but I have to stay here with you guys, so yeah. Okay, I'm using my fingers now. Wow. Of course they am. You guys can only see me, like, I'm so sorry. But I don't know how any other angle for you guys to, like, see me make it. No, not glass, a cup. Okay, this needs lots of food coloring, like. swimming. So I made blue and now it's like turning out reddishy pinkishy, but this is supposed to be pink. We only have blue, red, so I want to get green because like green is like a slimy color. I put like heaps of milk in that. Oh, a little bit fell out, but that's okay. You know, whenever I make slime, it always gets messy, but like this isn't getting messy. Oh, and the other, never mind. Oh, I've made, this is actually the 4th time I've, what are you doing?
Check the kitchen and see.
Oh, can you chip this into the,
Can you please put this in? Huh?